Alright, so here's the tutorial on how to allow car spawning in your game. So first you go to game settings, and just so you know, only you can access game settings because you're the creator of the game. Other people who you have helped make the game can't do it. So you go to permissions, see how it says private or public. You want to put public if you're going to publish it. But go down to avatar here. You see the R6 avatar here? Go to R6 avatar and you save it. But if there's anyone else playing the game, it'll shut down the game. So you can, because it has to update it, you say yes, and then you do it there. So do it again one last time. Go into settings, go down to avatar, hit R6, and then hit save, and then you'll be done. Then you go to file, publish to Roblox, and then new changes have been published. So there you go.